Hey guys, wanted to do a quick video on how to change a cabin filter for a 2011 Honda Odyssey EXL. A friend of mine had gone to the dealership for an oil change and they recommended that she change the cabin filter, and they wanted to charge $100 to do what I'm about to show you. So anyways, I've already changed the filter and I'm just going to walk you through the steps here. So no tools required. All you need is the air filter. So I bought an air filter on Rock Auto for $5. I like to use the Denso brand. Choose whatever you would like. Let's go in here, open up the glove box. You want to make sure that there's nothing in here, so I've already removed the books and such, so make sure it's empty. And now there's a plunger on the left hand side here that keeps the glove box from slamming open. You want to push this down. It has a little hook on it. You want to push it down. I can't get it on video because it's too dark back there, but I'll show you after I get it apart. Push it down until it clicks. I don't know if you heard that or not, but now it's free. You'll want to push the left hand side in and the right hand side in at the same time to open this up. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, now we're in there. Your cabin filter is right here. And so what you want to do is you want to pull that out. I might need two hands for this, but it pulls right out. There's a clip on the left hand side and the right hand side. You want to pull that out and it should just come right out like that. Now you have access to put the new filter in. As I stated, this filter was already changed. And there's one key thing you want to remember on this. I'm coming over here for better lighting. So on the front of the tray, it'll say, I don't know if you can see that, airflow, and then the arrow's pointing down. So just make sure when you put your filter in, as you can see on the side of this filter, it says airflow and the arrow's pointing down. Make sure those match. So they match, it's in there nice and tight. You come back over here and you reverse order. So you push the tray in, make sure it clicks in, you're done. Now I just got to put it back together. There's a hinge right here. This kind of free floats right here, the glove compartment, so it's off. You want to reattach the hinge here and here and then push it up. As I stated earlier, and now you can see, I can show you this little plunger, it retracts, and basically this just keeps the door box from slamming open. So there's the hook on the end of it. So when you push, at the beginning, when you push that down, that's what I'm trying to tell you. That's what unhooks right there. And there's a little bar down there that it latches onto. So now you know what it looks like. So let's go ahead and push. I'm going to try to do it with one hand. So you'll push that. You line up these hinges right here now. There and there, they're lined up. You want to push this up and then feel around here and grab that hook. And I can't even get it on camera, but you pull that, it's going to retract, so you want to pull it down and then find that bar and you'll hear it click in place. Now it's connected. Now your last step is to squeeze the left hand side and the right hand side together and then push up until it gets back into its proper place, and then you're done. So let me go ahead and do that. There it is. You can see it retracts fine. That's it. Literally took me, what, 3 minutes? 3 minutes to do it, and do it slow and explain it to you. That's what Honda charged $100 for. So just a quick recap. Just make sure, the biggest thing is to make sure that the airflow direction is correct on the air filter and that it matches the tray. You need no tools, piece of cake. $5 filter. Hope this helped someone. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Appreciate the comments or anything. Have a good day.